Greetings, language adventurers. Welcome to the 11th episode of our daily phrases journey. Phrase introduction. In this episode, we'll dive into the phrase, hit the nail on the head. Let's explore its intriguing meaning and usage. Meaning of the phrase, hit the nail on the head, means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. It's a popular idiom used when someone has made a comment that is exactly right or accurate. Pronunciation guide. Hit the nail on the head. 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 Use in a sentence. Example sentence. When Jenny explained the symbolism in the novel, she hit the nail on the head. Her interpretation matched the author's intention perfectly. Mark said that the film was about the consequences of technology. He hit the nail on the head. That was the central theme of the movie. The art instructor said that using brighter colors would enhance my painting, and she really hit the nail on the head. It made a huge difference. Now, I'd love to see how you can use hit the nail on the head in a sentence. Can you think of one? Please share your sentences in the comments. It's always exciting to see your ideas. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, every phrase you learn helps you hit the nail on the head in your language journey. See you in the next episode.